Okay, I'm sorry I'm doing this with my iPod Touch, but here are like several York units. There's TM Brandish trying to get my TX30 to work. Aha, look at this. Wow, son of a biscuit is broken. There is a newer unit, and 48,000 BTUs from 2005. You can see the data sticker. It's misting. Here's some York Steller series units. There's some train packaged units up on the roof. It's not snowing, is it? It looks like it is. I don't think it is. It's just misting. These are straight fools. There's a bigger one. Do these have data stickers? Of course not, but here is a middle school. That's where these units are located. Disconnect boxes. This middle school is from, according to Matt, this middle school is from, son of a biscuit, I can't get in there. This middle school is from like the 50s. It's not the middle school I go to, though. My middle school is over by my neighborhood. It says air conditioner 502 on it. Not too wild about those York Steller series units, but this one is pretty nice. Let's see if I could squeeze in. Yeah, I can't. It's 3 blades. TM Brandish, you tell me when you're ready to go. Let's see, what kind of fan motors does this have? A.O. Smith. Alright, picture time. This has been a 2014 Andrew B. Dish production.